Proof of work. So, the first successful consensus mechanism was proof of work. This was successfully introduced in 2009 by Bitcoin. So, how is proof of work actually taking place? How does proof of work works? So, in 2009, when Satoshi Nakamoto finally launched the Bitcoin, his intention, his first algorithm that he launched also was the proof of work. So in the proof of work, thousands of computers called miners come together. These computers, they come together to solve complex mathematical puzzle. So when they solve complex mathematical puzzle, the winner, like they are competing at a very higher rate to solve this mathematical puzzle. So the winner, the person who finally solves this complex mathematical puzzle, successfully create a block, and that block is automatically verified by thousands other computers we call nodes that were also competing to solve this complex mathematical puzzle. So as they are competing, once one computer successfully solve this puzzle, this mathematical puzzle, others stop competing. Then they verify this block to make sure this block is actually valid. This block is actually created in a valid manner. So when they verify this block and is valid, the computer that solved this complex mathematical puzzle and successfully added this block is now rewarded in Bitcoin. So this is how miners were mining Bitcoin. You heard people say they mined Bitcoin in 2009. People were mining Bitcoin. They come together. They solve this complex mathematical puzzle. Anyone that successfully solved this complex mathematical puzzle at the next block on the blockchain, and this next block is verified, and hence it is now added on the blockchain. The advantage of this was this: it is decentralized. Anybody could participate. Anybody could participate in solving this complex mathematical puzzle and getting rewarded in Bitcoin. But the disadvantage is that it consumes a lot of electricity. Yeah, it consumes a lot of electricity, and a node could not be managed or run by just individuals randomly. So you see that setting up at times setting up this computer node, they are very expensive.